Today I'm replacing the spark plugs on a 2011 Toyota FJ Cruiser. This vehicle uses a coil-on plug ignition system, and I'll walk through the process from start to finish. First, I open the hood and remove the engine cover to access the ignition coils. Starting on the driver's side, I loosen the ignition coil mounting bolts. Next, I carefully disconnect the coil pack connectors. Each coil pack is removed and set aside to expose the spark plugs underneath. Now I loosen the first spark plug and remove it from the cylinder. This is the old spark plug coming out. I cut to the new spark plug and install it, threading it in by hand first to prevent cross-threading. I repeat this same process for the remaining spark plugs on the driver's side. With the new plugs installed, the coil packs go back in. I tighten the bolts and reconnect each coil pack connector. Next, I move over to the passenger side. I disconnect the coil packs and remove all the mounting bolts. The coil packs are removed to access the spark plugs. I start with the spark plug closest to the front of the vehicle. Remove the old plug, then install the new one. Next is the middle spark plug. Same process. And finally, the last spark plug on this side. I use an electric wrench to snug the spark plugs down. The coil packs go back on, everything is tightened and we're connected. And that completes the spark plug replacement on this 2011 Toyota FJ Cruiser.